All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's me, Matty D, A1 Solutions Group, coming at you real and raw before I go work out for the day. It's September as I record this, 2021. It's fall, it's here. I'm going to miss the summer days. But that's how it is when you work, when you live in the mid-Atlantic and the north. And for all y'all watching this who live in the southern states like Florida, I hate you. So anyways, so in this video, I'm going to talk, it'll be a short one, the impact of your credit on your insurance rates. Now, here's the thing. For the most part, people, and watch it all the way through because I'm going to mention something that's very important, that you do want to keep your credit up on this, even though you may think it doesn't really have an impact. For the most part, people, mostly, people realize that your credit is checked for like car insurance, right? Okay. But there are those, and not too many people know this, that your credit is checked not just for car insurance, it's checked for homeowners insurance. Even though some states have banned it, like the state of Maryland, health insurance is checked for health insurance, and your credit's checked in life insurance. And as far as like the reasoning, it's stupid because your credit shouldn't have nothing to do with those things. But unfortunately, it does. On top of health insurance, too, by the way, hospitals check your credit, too, even if you have health insurance. It may be a soft pull, but they check it, too, because if something goes wrong with your insurance company that you pay your premium to for health insurance, or you ain't got none, they're going to look at your payment history and go, well, if we to give this person an operation's like $100,000 and the insurance fails through, doesn't cover, or if they have no health insurance, how's this person going to pay us back, basically? So they look at that stuff too. So yeah, your credit does have an impact. Now, as far as how much of impact on your rates, that I don't know, and even the people that sell insurance aren't too terribly sure. It does have an impact, and then I can assure you this, that if you have bad credit, obviously your premiums that you're going to pay for your insurance are going to be higher, right? Now, if you're good credit, I don't know how much it'll impact it, but obviously if it's health insurance, life insurance, if you're unhealthy, you're going to pay way more premiums and stuff for the same coverage. And throwing bad credit on top of that versus someone who's healthy with good credit, or healthy and bad credit. Okay, then obviously in car insurance, they look at your driving record. If you got DUIs and speeding tickets, they can either decline you for coverage or will take you on and you'll be expensive. All right, so there's that rule too. Okay, because I talked to an insurance agent who works for he is I think it's Farmers Insurance, and even he didn't know how much your credit impacts your insurance premiums. Like, obviously, again, bad credit, it's going to be higher, good credit will be lower. But then again, that's just your credit. They look at your driving record, all this stuff, how far you drive, all those other factors into it. Okay, so general, again, I'm repeating myself, the better the credit, it will have a positive impact on your insurance, but that's just credit. There's other factors too. Keep those in check, as well as your health and your driving habits. Now, here's the thing that you gotta understand, that I learned this recently, I say the last couple months, talking to a certified financial planner, and I found this out. I know this myself, okay? If your credit is bad, and this is not a joke, and I want you to really let this sink the hell in, there are life insurance carriers that will decline you for life insurance, which you need life insurance if your credit is bad. He told me stories of a couple clients that he was trying to get life insurance for, and the life insurance carrier was like, yeah, based on their credit profile, they may want to get that check, we won't work with them. And I was like, holy shit, like, how? Why? And I'm going to butcher the explanation, but from the life insurance carrier's perspective, when they look at your credit report and lifestyle, you got like, credit cards, you've maxed out collections and stuff. They're looking at it from a point of like, so this person is financially just screwed up and wants life insurance. They can't pay all this stuff. So how are we going to get paid on time, and then whatever health factors they may get right on top of that too. And because their credit was not in good standing, they got declined for life insurance. And I'm telling you right now, you need life insurance. It's a very important thing. Just because you pass away doesn't mean the bills stop. Not only that, life insurance now has changed where used to be where you only get access to it after you pass away, it goes to your family. Nowadays, they have where a lot of carriers where if you get sick and you're in the hospital, you can actually start using the life insurance to help pay for your time in the hospital, on top of your insurance and everything else that you need it. So it's not just something that you never touch. You can actually get access to it today, especially with whole life. But again, there are life insurance carriers that will decline you if your credit's not bad. And I was like, holy cow. And it's a little scary, man, because I don't know which carriers will do this. And you won't know. And then I would guess that if you do ask them, they probably won't tell you. If the rep knows, if anything, most insurance reps don't know this stuff. They don't know how credit works either, right? So they won't know. And then if you speak with the underwriter, they're not going to tell you the information. They're like, nope, I don't want to tell you that because they don't have to. So, end of the day, folks, it comes down to this. Keep your credit in check. Keep it good. Keep it intact. If you need help with repairing it, you want a free consultation, reach out to me. Let me know. Because this is a serious thing in that credit has grown from, it's changed from just being about who you owe money to and who are you paying back to have it being your financial character. And if that is in a good standing, you're no longer just getting denied, cars, homes, renting, jobs, promotions. You're getting denied life insurance too. And then I would think now in the future, if this continues to grow and change, which it will, hospitals may reserve the right to turn you down for certain medical treatments or operations if your credit is not in good standing. And that's really scary. Because at the end of the day, the hospital's a business and they're trying to get paid. They gotta make money, they gotta pay employees. And if they can't collect on certain things, that messes up the flow of business and that screws a lot of things. So, with that being said, please like this video and comment. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know what you think. Alright? And if you like help with your credit, give me a call, 703-232-1523, extension 2. Again, 703-232-1523, extension 2. And that number you can text as well. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Peace.